Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to have a quick look at one of my favourite LiPo batteries for micro quads. 3-inch, maybe 2-inch. And it's the China Hobbyline Mini Star 650mAh 3S with a 70C discharge rate. So let's check out the specs and why this little pack is the perfect one for you. So we can see here that we get a sticker, a China Hobbyline sticker. Nice. And we'll move over to the actual battery itself. So we can see the wrapping or the packaging is questionable, but we'll take it. And we can see, obviously, like on all LiPo packs, we've got a warning stick on the back, and then we flip over and we can see 650 milliamps. Well, decent. If you're going to put it on a 3-inch quad, might be pretty good. 3-4 minutes of flight time. So yeah, I'm just showing you the warning sticker here. It looks pretty well made. It looks, yeah, decent. So we're going to put it actually on the quad now and see what it looks like on the quad. So just take that off. Oh, battery's charged. Slide it in. And let's plug it in. Yeah. Always put your balance cable in between the wires. You don't want that getting chopped off. And there we are. That's what it looked like on my 3-inch quad. So now we're going to move on to the specs. So we can see that it's 650 milliamps, obviously made by China Hobbyline, and it's their Mini Star series. We've got 70C discharge rate, it's a 3S pack, and we've got 11.1 volts with 7.22 watt hours. We've got an XT30 with a JST balance plug. So, it looks pretty good overall. So there's the size of it on my hand. Yeah, not too heavy, quite well made. So we're going to compare it with a G&B 850mAh. I don't actually have a 650mAh to compare it with, but we can see that the 850 is obviously slightly larger, slightly longer, but overall they're actually sort of the same weight. They're not too weighty, perfect for a 3-inch quad, but yeah. Now for flight footage. So I'm not going to talk over the cinematic footage, and I'll just let you guys enjoy it. So we can see here that the China Hobbyline 3S gives more power than a GMB 700mAh 3S. Not going to talk over the freestyle either. Well, that's it for today, guys, and I really hope you enjoyed the review, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Cheers.